Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Ganaton Tablet, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Abbott. Ganaton Tablet. Uses. Ganaton Tablet is used to help manage heartburn, vomiting, and nausea. It helps improve the movement of the digestive tract and supports better digestion. Benefits. For heartburn, Ganaton Tablet helps promote faster digestion and prevents the backward flow of stomach acid. This can reduce the burning sensation in the chest and improve comfort after meals. For vomiting, it helps speed up the passage of food through the digestive tract, helping prevent the buildup that can trigger the urge to vomit. For nausea, Ganaton Tablet improves the movement of the stomach and intestines, helping ease the sensation of queasiness and an unsettled stomach. Side effects. Like all medicines, Ganaton Tablet may cause some side effects in certain individuals. The side effects mentioned in the document include mild diarrhea, stomach pain, headache, and dizziness. If these symptoms persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Ganaton Tablet in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. Ganaton Tablet should be taken on an empty stomach. How it works. Ganaton Tablet is a prokinetic medicine. It works on the region of the brain that controls vomiting. It also acts on the upper digestive tract to increase the movement of the stomach and intestines. This allows food to move more easily through the stomach and helps relieve symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. Disclaimer. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using any medication or herbal preparation.